If someone was born January 1st of 2000 and it's June 16th of 2025, approximately how many days old are they? Ignore leap years for simplicity in this problem and assume that 365 days are in a year. First, let's calculate how many days there's been from January 2000 to January 2025. From the year 2000 to 2025, 25 years have passed, and we want to know how many days that's been. To do this, we'll multiply through our conversion factor of 365 days per year. Solving this, the years cancel and leave us with days. This gives us that in 25 years, there's been 9,125 days. Now we need to add the current number of days from January 1st, 2025 to June 16th, 2025. To do this, we will add the days in every month up until June. January is equal to 31 days. February is equal to 28 days, excluding leap years. March has 31 days. April has 30 days. And May has 31 days. And so far, June has had 16 days. Adding all the days together for this year, there were 31 days in January, 28 in February, 31 in March, 30 in April, 31 in May, and 16 so far in June. This totals to be 167 days in 2025. So to calculate how many days old the person born in January 1st, 2000 is, we need to add together 9,125 days, the number of days it's been until 2025, plus 167 days, the number of days in 2025. This tells us that the person born in January 1st, 2000 is 9,292 days old. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.